My small family. My name is Amelia, and I am 28 years old. I have a small family, and I love it. My family is not big, but we are very close and spend a lot of time together. I feel lucky to have the family I have. I live with my parents in a small house. My father's name is David, and my mother's name is Sarah. They are both kind and caring. I have no siblings, so I am an only child. Even though our family is small, we make the most of every moment together. My dad is a very hardworking man. He works as an accountant in a big company. He loves his job and works long hours. He is very good at his job and always helps me with any financial questions I have. My dad enjoys reading books and watching movies in his free time. My mom is a stay-at-home mom, but she is also very busy. She takes care of the house and makes sure everything is clean and organized. She loves cooking and is very good at it. Every Sunday, she makes a big family meal for us. My mom also enjoys gardening and spends time outside planting flowers and vegetables. Even though we are a small family, we always find ways to have fun together. We enjoy going on trips and doing activities as a family. We don't have many people in our family, but we always find ways to make our time special. One of our favorite activities is going to the beach. Every summer, we visit the coast and spend the day swimming, walking along the shore, and having picnics. It's always a relaxing time, and we enjoy the peacefulness of being by the water. We also like to take photos of the beautiful views and memories we make. At home, we love to watch movies together. Every weekend, we choose a movie, make some popcorn, and sit on the couch to watch. It's a tradition we've had for many years, and I look forward to it every week. We enjoy comedy movies the most because they make us laugh a lot. Sometimes, we go out to eat at our favorite restaurant. It's a small, family-owned place where they serve delicious food. We all have our favorite dishes there. My mom loves the soup, my dad likes the steak, and I always order the pasta. We enjoy our time at the restaurant and talk about our week. Another thing my family enjoys doing is hiking. We have a few parks near our house, and we like to take walks in nature. It's a peaceful and relaxing activity. Sometimes, we bring our dog, Max, with us. He loves the walks and enjoys running around in the grass. We also celebrate holidays, but in a simple way. For Christmas, we decorate the house with lights and a Christmas tree. We don't have many relatives over, but we spend the day together as a family. We exchange gifts and enjoy a nice meal. My mom always makes a special Christmas dinner, and we enjoy the time together. On New Year's Eve, we like to stay at home and watch the fireworks on TV. We make snacks and talk about our hopes for the new year. We don't go out to big parties, but we are happy to be together. It's a quiet but meaningful way to start the year. Sometimes, I think about how different my life would be if I had more siblings. But I realize that being an only child has also been wonderful. I've always had my parents' full attention, and they have always supported me in everything I do. I am very grateful for the love and care they give me. Although we don't have many people in our family, we always make sure to stay connected. We talk to extended family members through phone calls or video chats. It's nice to hear from my cousins, aunts, and uncles. Even if we don't see them often, it helps me feel connected to my wider family, even though we live far apart. I also enjoy spending time with my parents when they are not working. We go shopping together, take short trips, or just enjoy each other's company at home. My mom and dad are my best friends. We talk about everything, and I feel comfortable sharing my thoughts and feelings with them. Growing up, I was always close to my parents. They were my role models, and they taught me many important lessons. My dad taught me about responsibility and hard work, while my mom taught me about kindness and patience. I am lucky to have had such great examples in my life. We have a small but cozy house. It's not too big, but it's comfortable. I have my own room where I like to relax and read books. My parents' room is next to mine, and they are always there when I need them. The house is warm and welcoming, and it always feels like home. Our family is very supportive of each other. If I have a problem, I know I can talk to my parents. They listen to me and help me find solutions. Whether it's school-related or personal, I always feel supported by them. I know they want the best for me. Even though we don't have a big family, we always make an effort to stay close and enjoy our time together. I know that having a small family means that I get more attention and love from my parents. It's not about the number of people in a family. It's about the love and care you give each other. My family has taught me to appreciate the little things in life. We don't need big celebrations or many people to make us happy. Simple moments, like a nice dinner together or a walk in the park, mean the most to us. I feel very lucky to have the family I do. I think having a small family has made me appreciate quality time even more. We don't have many distractions, so when we spend time together, we really enjoy it. I don't need a big family to be happy. I have everything I need with my mom, dad, and our dog, Max. Sometimes, I look forward to the future. Maybe one day, I will have my own family, and I hope it will be as loving and supportive as the one I grew up in. But for now, I'm happy with my small family. They mean the world to me. In conclusion, my small family is everything to me. We may not be many, but we have a lot of love and care for each other. I feel lucky to have parents who support me and spend time with me. I will always cherish the moments we share together, and I look forward to many more happy times with them.